everyone, welcome to another yoga pose video in this series of yoga poses. So this is number 3 and this is my favorite abdominal pose. It is twisting abs with a block. So you may have seen some of my other videos. I've got quite a few ab ones already there, and I think I have abs with a block or a roll. So traditionally this is used with a roll, which is like a rolled up towel. So you can use that if you'd like. It is probably better. I just prefer using the block because I find it easily accessible. It also feels comfortable using it. Yeah, so we'll get into this pose. It's a bit different to the previous one I had with abs with the block. This one's twisting with 3 different directions. Okay, so lay on your back and have your legs straight up. Grab your block or your roll, place that in the thighs. Squeeze the thighs, tuck your tailbone, bring your hands behind your head, flex your toes. Inhale, take a deep breath in, hold the breath, squeeze the thighs, exhale, elbows to your right knee, squeeze thighs, pull belly down. Inhale, back to center, tuck the elbows, squeeze, block, elbows to left knee, pull belly down. Inhale, back to center and come forward, squeeze, block, pull belly down. So really crunch forward, squeeze the block. You should feel everything working, inner thighs and belly. Exhale, come down. Okay, so that was 1 round. Elbows to the right, elbows to the left, and elbows forward. Let's do that again a few more times. Inhale, expand ribs, tuck tailbone, squeeze, block. Exhale, elbows to right knee, squeeze, block, pull belly down. So keep your legs as straight as you can during. Inhale, back to center, tuck tailbone, squeeze, block, elbows to left knee, pull belly down. Inhale, come back to center and pull belly down. Exhale, come down. Inhale, expand ribs, tuck tailbone, squeeze, block, elbows to right knee, pull belly down. Inhale, back to center, elbows to left knee, pull belly down. Inhale, back to center and come forward, pull belly down. Exhale, come down. Inhale, expand ribs, tuck tailbone, squeeze, block, elbows to right knee, pull belly down. Inhale, back to center, elbows to left knee, pull belly down. Inhale, back to center, come forward, pull belly down. Exhale, come down, bring your feet down, bring your block to the side, and bring your hands to your belly. Take a deep breath here, close your eyes. So just relaxing after doing that. You can do as many rounds as you like. And when you get up, always roll over to your side. Come up slowly with a relaxed neck. Bring your hand to your head and bring your head up. So you can do as many rounds or as few rounds as you like. I recommend do at least 5 rounds. Probably 10 rounds is probably enough. But you can always do more or less if that works for you as well. And you can do multiple abdominal exercises during the yoga class. You can do this on its own. I'm also a personal trainer as well, and I do this occasionally, not occasionally, actually quite regularly, with PT clients as an abdominal exercise. I find it one of the best because you can do it. Pretty much anybody can do it. If you've got back issues, you can do it. It will help your back. It won't harm your back. Unlike a lot of other abdominal exercises, and I'm not saying anything is bad. I just find this really good. And you can do it as part of your exercise routine. You can do it as part of your class. I usually do it at the beginning. And you'll probably see it in many of my other classes if you follow any of them. So now you know how to do it perfectly. Have fun with it. Thank you for watching this video. Namaste.